So London just opened, and it opens 12 o'clock midnight for me, which is right there, 000, right? Price is pushing. All right, let's look at the next candle. No, nothing. I don't know what's happening. I don't know anything right now. I don't know what's happening. I can't make up anything right now. I can't tell myself I should sell. The market wants you to continue selling, right? It's enticing you to sell. So, rightfully so, I don't know what's happening, right? It's all bearish. It's not sweeping anything, right? Nothing. So if nothing happened, right, we would wait for, look, for example, like right here, we can see a bunch of liquidity is creating right there, right? Right here, a bunch of liquidity. So in this case, if London did come up here fast, maybe if there was some sort of news perhaps, the news pushed the market up here, I could then start looking for price to run bearish, just like this. If news took it up, I can take the market bearish because I know in this case, we have to take out this low right here, right? To clear out all this liquidity, right? So let's see, we are nearing 5:45, so 6:30 a.m. is when when New York session opens, right? Let's see, can I see New York? Because I would look for New York to sweep, right? Let's see, this is a 6:15. Okay, 6:15 swept those liquidity. So what do you think in my eyes? What would I think this would be right now, right? Because I know the origin of this high swept, right? We're still looking to take price bearish, right? And we haven't swept this low yet, which means we've built all this sell side liquidity right here, right? So that means I would like for price to sweep this low, right? But we're still continuing price bearish. So in this case, I'm not making myself an excuse and telling myself, oh, well, hey, now I'm gonna, start trading because I don't see anything. No, I clearly see something right here. This is a bunch of liquidity, right? This is where I'm telling myself I'm on the go here. I can go, right? So let's see what happens. If New York opens up, there's 6:30 right there, right? So we can start looking for confirmations internally in here. We can start looking for confirmations. Let's see. Okay, and it looks like, there we go. Liquidity was swept and it ran down. So I can see just a bit right there. There was liquidity swept right there. I would have been able to sell there. Again, I didn't rush into anything. I was able to clearly see the whole picture. I wasn't making any of the stuff up. I'm trying to see, what do I see? And if I can see it clear, good, right? So I would have canceled. I would have not looked at London. I mean, I might come back every 15 minutes or so because I would have to stay on the 15-minute, right? To sweep a high, to continue bearish, right, or something. But in this case, I waited for New York now. Now I highlighted this, right? I put an alert. Let's just say you put an alert. New York came here, swept it, and then we looked for more confirmation to take price bearish. That's how you do it, guys.